Can you now sum up the etiquettes of drinking?
As far as the sunnah and the etiquettes of drinking are concerned, number one is you should say Bismillah before drinking. You should drink with the right hand. You should sit while drinking. Number four, you should drink water in 3 gulps or more. Should not have it in 1 gulp, finish it. Number 5, after finishing drinking, you should praise Allah, say Alhamdulillah. Number 6 is that if someone is serving drinks to other people, if there are a group of people or there are guests coming, he should have the last drink. Number 7, he should start serving from the right hand side. Number 8, a person should not drink from the pitcher. He should pour it into a cup or a glass and then have it. All these are hygienic. Normally when you have from the pitcher, then it's preferable to have it in the glass and leave the complete water clean. And the last is, and the 9th one is, that you should not drink in a gold or a silver vessel. So these are the etiquettes and the sunnah of drinking water.